All right, everybody, we're making shrimp scampi, one of the easiest dishes ever invented. It's garlic lemon shrimp, is all it is. So what I have here are 1620, which refers to the size of the shrimp, meaning 16 or 20 shrimp per pound. Salt and pepper on the shrimp. Pan is heating. You want a large, hot pan for this. You definitely need a lot of heat because shrimp tend to be watery. So when they hit the pan, in order for you to have a chance at getting them even a little bit brown, the pan has to be large and hot. All right, let's put some olive oil in the pan. Let's toss these around, make sure they're seasoned, and into the very hot pan they go. And lay these in carefully. Don't be a slob and just toss them all in, okay? Treat the shrimp with a little bit of care. When you dump the whole thing in, you don't take advantage of all the surface area. Okay, while the shrimp are cooking, we're gonna slice some garlic. 3 cloves of peeled garlic is all you need. This is gonna be a pretty rough chop. That's all you have to do, guys. I'm not gonna be a slob today. I'm gonna do it the slightly harder way. Gonna make a little space for the garlic, okay? Gonna put the garlic in there. Gonna let it cook. Gonna add a little butter to that. We're gonna let it cook in its own little puddle of butter. See that? This way you can allow the shrimp to continue to cook in the olive oil. They're not quite ready to flip, and the butter will cook separately in the same pan so that when I flip the whole thing, the garlic is not raw. Next thing we need to prepare is soft butter, which we have. Juice of 1 lemon and some parsley. I always use Italian flat parsley in this case. And all you have to do is pull the tops off and give that a rough chop. Very important part of the dish, by the way. The parsley is not a throwaway. It's a very important part of the flavor profile. But notice, I'm cutting it pretty coarsely and unevenly. I'm not worried so much about the looks right now. All right, so now the garlic has been cooking. You can see some of it's even brown, and we're gonna toss it all together. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna try to flip most of them so that we can get a little browning on the other side. If you're in this room, you can smell why the browning is important. You can smell a sort of sweet shrimp aroma in the air. Okay, we're gonna deglaze with lemon juice. I just do this right through my fingers. I use my fingers as a strainer. Pulp is fine. We're not trying to reduce the lemon. Butter and emulsify this sauce. So the butter, lemon juice, white wine if you need it, garlic, shrimp, all emulsified together is what makes this dish delicious. I'm gonna add a drop of white wine because I wanna emulsify the sauce and just want a little acidity. It's delicious. I think this took maybe 3 minutes to make. What does it say on your camera? How many minutes?
Yeah, it was about that.
Now all you have to do is serve a bunch of this with broccoli, pasta, whatever you want. Hopefully that came across as very fast and easy.
Oh, yeah.
That was the idea.
Like that's what I'm
very fast.
Yeah.
This is it. It's a whole meal.
Indeed.